One more to go. We got one in the chuck. Let's go ahead and knock it out. These Venturi sleeves, if you need one, your local job shop, your local machine shop that calls itself a job shop is use your local machine shop. And you know, being old school as I am, if it's in my lathe, it's had a file to the corner. Just kind of run it over like that right there. Old school we talking about. Number 30 of these number 30 Venturi sleeves. And if you have an engine that don't have one in it and you need one, you actually could take this video to the local machine shop, or just get out there in your own machine shop and knock you one out. The height, 390. The taper, 76 degrees. Actually, it's like 77. It works out good. The outside diameter is 997. The tallness, the tallness right here, this 390. Actually, it was 389 with a 15 thousandths gasket, but you actually can make this a little bit. That's a good number to work with. The top piece, if you look at it from this way, is somewhere around 80 thousandths, and the taper will go down from that. Let's make some chips. Okay, being old school as I am, you have to get that file in there. Just kind of round that edge off ever so gently. You might say this Venturi sleeve project started years ago by that Venturi sleeve right there. And then here today with just some raw material. Now, there was one procedure in this project here that I did not have to do. These already had a bored hole in the center, so I did not have to bore the, if this had been solid stock, I would have had to bore the inside out. That was the only, and you can see here I have 25 completed, and I did make 2 extra ones, but there is 25 completed Venturi sleeves, 1.5 horsepower M. I would be amiss if I didn't set this head back straight here. The procedure for realigning the drive head, the pair head, The procedure to do that is clean it up. Good time to put a little oil on right there if you're not going to be using it. I do have some more tapers to turn tomorrow, so I'm going to leave that as is. But you put this alignment key back in that keyway right there, set it down flat, free of little shavers of metal, and make sure that the bottom of this here base is free. Take a rag to it, make it clean, and then this will set right back down on the top of this right here. And those two, the top has a keyway in it and the bottom has the keyway in it, and the key in there, and it will index itself back. Tie that up pretty good and tight. Now the head is back true again to the bed, to a pretty decent alignment. I'll do a real good cleanup on right here, oil her down, and we get on to that next project. But that's how simple it is to cut a taper on one of these Sure-Line lathes. It's a little 3-inch lathe. And here on East Coast, Arkansas, Shop Dog Sam.